Hi everyone, this is Shyam, a behavioral trainer and millennial coach. Welcome to my video.
Have you ever thought, is this job right for me? How can I do better at my job? Should I change my department? Or should I change my industry?
So a lot of you have been requesting me to understand, when is the right time to leave your job. I know it may be 1 year, 2 year or 5 years into a job, and sometime you feel right when is the right time to leave your job or should you change your department. So today we are going to talk about one matrix that will help you to understand whether it is the right time to leave your job or not. Let us see what the matrix is. So today we are going to talk about the matrix which is known as career matrix. The matrix that is going to decide whether it's the right time to leave your job or not. Career matrix takes into consideration two things. The first, the industry in which you are currently employed. And second, the skill that you currently possess. Let us see how this matrix looks like.
The career matrix helps you to assess risk and take guesswork out of your career planning. If you look at the career matrix, now the graph shows that within industry, you have a new industry and an existing industry. New industry defines the industry in which you are willing to go. The existing industry defines the industry in which currently you are employed. If you look at the skills, again, there is an existing skill and there is a new skill. Existing skill defines the skills which you already have, while the new skills are the skills which you want to possess or you want to learn or you want to acquire.
So in this matrix, there can be four options. The first one being a subject matter expert. When you are in the same company with the same skill set, you become a subject matter expert. Are you the person to whom people come asking for help? Are you the person who is within the process for quite a long time? Are you there in the company for 1 or 2 years doing the same job? You have not invested in your skills. You have not invested in your own self, and that is the reason you possess the same skill sets the moment you joined your company. This is the reason why you become a subject matter expert. This is the time when you get frustrated what to do next. I'm not enjoying my job. There's nothing new to do. This is the time when you go and speak to your manager and ask them that, hey, I want to learn something new. Go and invest in yourself for training and see what additional skills you can, get into your own self. These new skill sets will help you to either climb the ladder or maybe look after for a new job. Now there will be a lot of you guys who are investing your time into training and development, investing your time and money into acquiring new skills. Once you do that, you change your positioning from a subject matter expert to opportunist. Now opportunists are people who are looking to get new opportunities within the same company. To get into that kind of a role, you start building your skill sets. You see what are the synergy certifications that you can get. For example, let's say I am a trainer. I am more into learning and development. But definitely certifications which are into organizational development or certifications which are into HR can help me to have a bigger portfolio. So that is the skill that you need to acquire. Once you have better skill sets with you, you become into a category of opportunist. So now you are the person who is looking forward to climb the ladder. But hey, you are lazy. You do not want to invest your time and money into acquiring new skills. So you end up changing your industry or company with the same skill set that you have. Definitely the organization that is hiring you has hired you because you are a specialist. You are capable to do your job at the best. You would be in a timeline or with a target to deliver. So be ready that whatever skill you have, you are able to deliver and get the best, because now you are a specialist. You would be given a team or maybe you would be given a bigger responsibility, but you will not grow in the ladder. You are only hired because of the skills that you have. The fourth ones are my favorite. I call them the new hire. These are those people after spending a lot of time in the same industry are frustrated with their job. They want to explore new things. They want to learn new skills. They want to invest new skills into them. and they want to start from the scratch and make something big for them. These are the people who do not care about the position, they do not care about the title. These are the people who care about job satisfaction. These are the people who want to do something new in their life and they know the risk that they are taking. But definitely with the risk, they need to also invest into learning new skills about the industry they want to go into. So better be prepared that you know what exactly you are doing.
Let us quickly look at the metrics again. We discussed about subject matter expert, opportunist, specialist, and new hire based on industry and skills an individual will have. You now need to decide in which stage of life are you living and what describes your situation better.
So if I have to summarize this entire video, I would like to say two things. The first is, if you are going to change your company or the industry with the same skill sets, be prepared to do the hard work. Be prepared to face the targets and deliver. But yes, if you are looking to grow in the same company or you want a better job, ensure that you invest in your skills and you learn new skills that can help you to get a better position. Hope you liked the video. Share your thoughts on the comment, like and share the video. You can reach me out at LinkedIn. My link is given in the description. I'm Shyam, your millennial coach. Thank you.